wabarakatuh. Today we will share about ESP design part 3, gas calculation. This gas, free gas, a lot of influence to the pump. Gas calculation. It is essential to determine the percentage of free gas by volume at the pumping condition in order to select proper pump and gas handling device like gas handler device, which type for gas separator. One must determine the total fluid mixture inclusive of water, oil, and free gas that is ingested by pump. Use actual pressure, volume, temperature, PVT data if available. For this example, standard correlation was used. Determine the solution GOR at the pump intake pressure by substituting the pump intake pressure for the bubble pipe pressure in standard equation. This result can also found as a monograph in many books. Solution GOR calculation. This is the formula. Solution gas oil ratio. Standard cubic per standard barrel. Oil AP gravity, gas specific gravity, pressure, and temperature. Notebook to determine solution GOR at intake, we take PIP as P as pressure. Oil formation volume factor. This is the formula. I'm sorry, I just copy from the one file. So I make like this, the picture. Oil formation volume factor, gas specific gravity, and oil specific gravity, and this temperature. This for oil formation volume factor, for this gas formation volume factor. This gas formation volume factor, and this gas compressibility factor, and this temperature and this pressure. This because a lot of formula in the file, so I make this a simple formula like this. This total gas volume equal producing GOR multiply oil rate. And this solution gas volume, solution GOR at intake multiply oil rate. Free gas volume, total gas volume minus solution gas volume. Volume of oil intake, this oil formation volume factor multiply flow rate of oil. And this gas formation volume factor multiply free gas. Volume of water is flow rate multiply water cut. Total volume is volume oil, volume gas, and plus volume water. Percentage of free gas, volume gas divide volume total, multiply 100%. So we can understand, we can know about how many percentage of free gas. This total mass of produced fluid barrel oil per day multiply oil and plus and the formula like this. After that, composite specific gravity from the above multiply BFPD divide BPD multiply this formula. Okay, effect gas. This can reduce the heat because not maximum inside the pump, so reduce the heat. Maybe also read if monitoring if PD, maybe also reduce discharge pressure. This effect gas also can make a gas lock. So if amount of gas come to the intake and to the pump, this can make effect to gas lock. So only gas inside the pump, so no flow, and this also make high temperature motor because also if gas lock no flow and the casing of motor no flow for cooling motor, so can make high temperature. Fluctuating motor load ampere also because sometimes have fluid, sometimes gas. If have gas, maybe the ampere is decrease. If more fluid, more water, the ampere increase. Cable gas decompression also. This if a lot of gas can come inside the armor, the cable, and they make a cable and make cable gas decompression. This also we should be careful if bit of casing pressure. If directly, if high pressure, if directly to bleed off, not as SOP or procedure, this can damage the pump, the cable, the compression cable. With gas, make high temperature, can decrease insulation cable also, etc. Okay, thank you for this sharing. So we can continue to discussion. If any mistake, any need to discussion, we can make discussion in space sharing. Need advice for the senior from the senior from the professional because I am still learning also. We can also discuss in artificial life community. Okay, thank you. I am Muhammad Yunus. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.